you must possess them. There is no alternative for that
Mm.
one. There's no shortcut. But the matter of fact is, technical skills can only help you to enter into the interview, but the communication skill will help you to get shortlisted. No? So
Yeah,
that link
true.
we should not miss out. And these people who are at their no, engineering third year and fourth year must understand how to balance both of them. Right. Point number one. And number two is they also should have a clear idea of what's their communication competencies, because
Right.
every individual, every learner is different from others. If I have a problem, that may not be a problem to you.
Yeah.
When particularly we're talking about communication, what the problem you face may not be a problem at all for me right from the day one of my language learning. So if people wanted to get employability in this 2025, 26, 27, where AI is also at its best, so people need to understand their level of competence in communication and try to integrate both technical aspects as well as their communication.